there, beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the science, feel, and real-world performance behind your favorite beauty products. Today, we're exploring theBalm Meet Matte Hughes in the shade Romantic, a liquid lipstick designed for a soft matte finish that claims to be comfortable for all-day wear. So let's get into the details. This product comes in a sleek, travel-friendly tube with a doe foot applicator, making it easy to apply precisely. The formula is a lightweight liquid that dries down to a matte finish, and it's formulated to suit all skin types, which is great for those of us with varying lip textures or sensitivities. Key ingredients include emollients that help prevent dryness, giving the lips a velvety matte look without feeling heavy or chalky. When I tested Romantic, the first thing I noticed was how smooth it applied. The liquid glided on evenly, and the pigmentation was impressive. One swipe gave a rich, full-color payoff. I wore it for several hours, and while it did transfer slightly when eating, it held up well otherwise. The matte finish wasn't overly drying, which is a major plus compared to some other long-wear liquid lipsticks I've tried. I also found it easy to layer for a more intense look without feeling cakey. What I really love is the balance between bold color and comfort. Many matte lipsticks sacrifice moisture for staying power, but this one manages both reasonably well. On the flip side, if you're someone who frequently eats or drinks, you might notice some fading at the inner lip over time, so a touch-up may be necessary for long events. In terms of value, theBalm positions itself in the mid-range market, and given the high pigmentation, comfortable wear, and all-day matte look, I'd say it's fairly priced. Compared to other liquid mattes I've tried, it holds up competitively, comparable to higher-end brands in texture and finish, but without the steep price tag. If you're on a tighter budget, there are similar options that give good pigmentation, but few that match the lasting comfort this formula offers. The packaging is sturdy and well-designed. The doe foot applicator delivers just the right amount of product, and the tube seals tightly to prevent drying out. I haven't interacted directly with theBalm customer service for this purchase, but the brand is known for responsive support and reliable product quality, which adds confidence. All in all, theBalm Meet Matte Hughes in Romantic is a strong performer for anyone looking for a reliable matte liquid lipstick that's soft on the lips, yet vibrant in color. It's ideal for everyday wear, special occasions, or even a quick pop of color to elevate a simple look. If you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, if you've tried this shade or another from the Meet Matte Hughes line, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Purchase links are in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.